Generative artificial intelligence represents a groundbreaking leap in technology. Unlike traditional AI that analyzes or classifies data, generative AI creates entirely new content. It learns from vast data sets to produce original outputs across various mediums. This technology is rapidly transforming how we interact with digital tools. It empowers machines to imagine and produce, blurring the lines between human and artificial creativity. It's a powerful force reshaping industries and daily life. At its core, generative AI operates by identifying patterns within existing data. It processes millions of examples, whether images, sounds, or text. This deep learning allows the AI to understand the underlying structure and characteristics of the data. Once trained, the AI can then generate novel content that adheres to these learned patterns. It doesn't copy. It synthesizes new information based on its comprehensive understanding. This process often involves complex neural networks, like generative adversarial networks or transformers. Generative AI has made significant strides in the visual arts. It can produce stunning images from simple text prompts, creating landscapes, portraits, or abstract designs. Artists are now using these tools to explore new creative avenues. Beyond static images, AI can also generate animations and even entire virtual worlds. It offers unprecedented possibilities for digital art, design, and multimedia production. This capability democratizes creation, making sophisticated tools accessible. In the realm of music, generative AI is equally transformative. It can compose original melodies, harmonies, and rhythms in various styles. From classical pieces to electronic beats, AI can craft entire musical compositions. This technology assists musicians in overcoming creative blocks or generating background scores for videos. It can even personalize music based on a listener's preferences, opening new frontiers for sound design and entertainment. The capabilities of generative AI extend far beyond artistic endeavors. In text generation, it can write articles, summaries, code, and even entire scripts. This assists with content creation, research, and programming tasks. In design, AI helps create new product prototypes, architectural layouts, and fashion designs. For scientific research, it can generate new molecular structures or predict protein folding. Its applications are truly diverse. For students and teachers, generative AI offers powerful new learning and teaching tools. Students can use it to brainstorm ideas, summarize complex texts, or even generate practice problems. It can personalize learning experiences. Teachers can leverage AI to create customized lesson plans, generate diverse examples, or develop interactive learning materials. It streamlines administrative tasks, allowing educators to focus more on direct instruction and student engagement. While generative AI presents immense opportunities, it also raises important ethical questions. Issues of intellectual property, authorship, and potential misuse are actively being debated. Ensuring responsible development is crucial. Concerns about deepfakes, misinformation, and job displacement also require careful consideration. As the technology evolves, society must establish clear guidelines and educational frameworks to navigate its impact responsibly. The rapid advancements in generative AI suggest an exciting future. We can anticipate even more sophisticated and nuanced creative outputs. AI may become an indispensable partner in human innovation across all fields. It promises to unlock new forms of expression and efficiency, fundamentally changing how we create, learn, and interact with information. Embracing this technology thoughtfully will shape a more innovative future.